Assalamu Alaikum Tech Atheist, welcome back to Windows Fixer. Today we are diving into an essential tool that can help us understand and optimize our system memory usage. That is RAMMap. Whether you are a gamer, content creator, or simply want to boost your PC performance, this tool is a gem you will want to know about. So let's not waste any time and dive right into the world of RAMMap. So the question number one, what is RAMMap? Before we jumping into the nitty gritty, let's understand the basic. RAMMap is a powerful utility developed by Microsoft that allow us to virtualize and analyze how our computer physical memory, the RAM, is being utilized. It's like a windows into your system memory management, helping us identify memory leaks, insufficient usage, and opportunities for optimization. So let's start it. Installation and setup. And search RAMMap on Google. On the top official website, the Microsoft will provide you, and when you open the website, the RAMMap version is v1.61 and it's around 671 KB. Simply click on it and download it, and once you click on it you will get a zip file. Just download it, and after the downloading, now simply let's extract it in the same folder. That's easy to navigate. Now once you open the folder, you will see here the three files. If you are using 32-bit, you can go with this, otherwise the 64-bit, and click on yes. Now just accept the terms and conditions. Don't worry, it's a official Microsoft tool, so we don't need to worry about this. I guess it's more better if I open the task manager to understand how actually your RAM works. So simply go into the performance, then open resource monitor, and that's it. Now close the task manager, and here you see the memory option, and just simply you need to open this memory option. Just click on it. Here where the magic happens, launch RAMMap, and you will be created by a comprehensive view of your memory usage. Let's explore some keys features. The number one, users count. These sections will provide you the insights into how various types of memories are being utilized, from process private to driver locked. And number two, the process. Here you can get an overview of active processes and the memory they are consuming. This helps in identifying resource hungry applications. So after this, the file summary, that's it's important over here. Analyze memory usage by files. This can uncover cache insufficient or memory consuming files, so you can see over here. Then physical pages over here. Dive deep into the physical memory pages. Here you can identify issues like modifying pages that could impact performance on the task manager. Now in use this RAM, like it's almost the 6 GB, and then modify is around 4 MB. That's something like you are using and closing, using and closing. And after that, standby means recently you did open you open some applications like OBS, games, etc., and standby still reserving your that space even you close that application like the game or anything else. Now the free RAM is 9 MB. Now here the problems occurs when you open a new game that you did not open recently, and when you open it will load slowly. It might be it will crash or something happens. So yeah, that's it. So now what you can do here, just click on the empty sets. Now this is the empty sets. Uncover available memory that currently unused and can potentially be reclaimed. I'm talking about the standby and even in used memory. So let's clear it one by one. Empty working set, and you can see impact over here. Now once again, empty system working sets. See, the files has been closed, but still the memories in reserve in standby mode. One more again, empty modified page list. That's it. Now the huge standby list. Here we go. See, now I have 9 GB free space. Now the one more, you can repeat it, but repeats mean does not give you any extra advantages. It's just clearing, and some files just restart automatically. So yeah, that's it. But temporary, you will get a free space. This means you can uh, play games now smoothly. Now one more thing I can include in this section might be this will more clarify your knowledge. So sometimes when you launch Valorant in 4 GB RAM or 8 GB RAM, after one or two matches you feel stuttering or lagging just because of this. The standby is fulfilled with your recently cache, and as you know Valorant have a lot of maps and characters and everything blah blah blah. So that's why your standby list is fulfilled. When you use this tool after one or two matches and then restart your game, you will feel again the smoothness in your game.
Congratulations, you have unlocked the power of RAMMap and taken a proactive step toward improving your computer performance. Remember, while RAMMap is a fantastic tool, it's important to use it wisely and not make changes without understanding the implications. Now, go ahead and optimize that memory usage while staying connected with the spirit of improvement. Until next time, Bismillah. Have a good day.